using a vector method, show the points A, -2, -3, 4, and B, 1, 2, -3, and C, -5, -8, and 11 are collinear. So what we are trying to show here is that the points A, B, and C lie on a straight line, but not on a plane, but in space, because we have three-dimensional coordinates. Now, in order to understand three-dimensional coordinates, then the x-axis, the GeoGebra app, is the same as it is in 2 dimensions, but the y-axis goes into the page. So this is negative y coming out of the page, this is positive y going into the page, and the vertical axis is now called the z-axis. So now here we have our 3 points. So basically this is going to be -2, -3, and then 4 up. Now one way to show that these points, we'll just move this around a bit so we can see it a bit better, that one way to show that these 3 points are in a straight line is to take a vector and take a point, and it doesn't matter which point you take, but I'm going to take A in this case, and can find the vector AB, and then also find the vector AC. Now if the vector AB is parallel to the vector AC, and because A is the same point, then these 3 points will be in a straight line, which we can see that they are, but we've got to actually prove it using our vector knowledge of vector algebra. So just looking at that again, if I take a point A, just draw any point on the paper, and any point B and any point C. If I find vector AB and show that it's parallel to vector AC, and because A was a common point to both vectors, then ABC will be in a straight line. Now what we've got to remember here, if we got the coordinates of A, then we have the position vector of A from the origin. So vector AB is like going back to the origin plus going to AB. So that's like AO plus OB. But here I have the vector OA. So I need to change the sign on each of these. So that will be 2, 3, and -4. And then to that I need to add the vector OB, which is going to be the same as that. So it's going to be 1, 2, -3, which gives me 3, 5, and -7. And then I've now got to find the vector AC, this vector here, and I'll do that by doing AO, so again against the sign of that one, plus OC. So that will be 2, 3, -4, changing the sign of these, and then going with the sign with this one, so -5, -8, 11, which is going to give me -3, -5, -7. So it's 2 plus -5, 3 plus -8, -4 plus 11. Now you can see that this one is in the opposite direction of this one. So we can see that vector AB is minus vector AC, and therefore vector AB is some multiple of AC, which means that AB and AC are parallel. And hence, because we have the same point, then the 3 points lie in a straight line. So the concluding statement is, hence AB is parallel to AC, and as the point A is common to both, then ABC are collinear, i.e. lie in a straight line. And we just have one last look at the GeoGebra app. Okay, so you can see that these points lie in a straight line. Okay, I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.